Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today we're taking a look at the OPPO Find X9S Pro with a quick unboxing. The unit I've got here is the 16GB plus 5 and 12GB variant in its original color. Let's open the box and see what's inside. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The packaging follows OPPO's familiar style. Once you lift the lid, the first thing you'll notice is a separate box that holds the phone case. I had already opened this earlier, so some of the seals are missing, but I can still show you what's included. Inside, you get a soft silicone case, very similar to what we've seen with the previous X9 and X9 Pro. Next up is the phone itself. Let's take it out and set it aside for a moment. Underneath, you'll find the accessories. It comes with an 80-watt fast charger, OPPO's proprietary charging cable, and a SIM ejector tool. And that's everything included in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the OPPO Find X9S Pro. This model comes in 4 different color options. The one we have today is called the original Eco version, which features a tone known as Chenfeng Green. The back panel has a refined sandblasted finish combined with a special cold dip aging process. In practical use, it does a great job resisting fingerprints. You can touch it and it stays clean. The phone itself is impressively slim at just 8.4 millimeters, making it very comfortable to hold, even with one hand. Turning to the front, the display features ultra-narrow bezels measuring only 1.1 millimeters with a clean, symmetrical, flat-edge design. If you compare it with the previous OPPO Find X9 Pro, you can really see the refinement in the overall look and feel. Another highlight is that the X9S Pro runs on the new generation Carnival S16 gold label system. The lock screen now includes a cover-style layout, and notifications use a focus-based design that won't block your content, which is actually very convenient. The overall interaction system has also been improved, making the phone easier and smoother to use. The home screen introduces some fresh ideas as well, with a more immersive full-screen layout that highlights important information clearly. Looking at the back, again, the camera setup keeps a similar design language to the previous X9 Pro, including the compact camera module and true color lens. However, based on leaked information, there are some big upgrades this time. While the X9 Pro featured a 50-megapixel main camera and a 200-megapixel telephoto lens, the new X9S Pro is said to come with both a 200-megapixel main camera and a 200-megapixel telephoto lens. So in terms of photography, this generation could actually outperform its predecessor. The display also retains its signature liquid-like visual effect, which helps reduce eye strain, especially when using the phone at night. For more details, we'll have to wait for the official OPPO launch event on April 21st. Once it's officially released, I'll be posting a full in-depth review. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and join our tech community. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.